Hello everyone. Till now we have discussed the introduction of WordPress and the last session was about WordPress dashboard. So now I think as all of you are now familiar with the dashboard of WordPress. So now let's discuss how to create a WordPress category. First of all, let me show you the dashboard. So here is the dashboard which we have seen in the last session. So now we are going to discuss about these things, that what are posts, how to add media, what is the difference between pages and posts, comments, and these one by one. Okay. So now let's first start how to create a WordPress category. So first of all, category is used to indicate sections of your site and group related posts. It sorts the group content into different sections. It is a very convenient way to organize the post. So now in this particular session, we are going to discuss how to add a category, how to add it. Suppose you want to change a particular category, then how to do that, then how to delete a particular category. If you want to arrange the categories, like you want to change the sequence of categories, then how to do that. So we will discuss all this in this particular session. So first of all, we have how to add category. See, first you have to log into WordPress dashboard by just entering the username and password which you have provided at the time of installation of WordPress. As in my case, I have provided it admin as a username and admin as a password. Next, the dashboard window is shown like this. For adding post, you have to click this part. On the left side, you have a post part. In this, we have categories option in the WordPress. Now, next option, what is going on? Like it will show the categories page like this. So here you can see we have how to the name, that is add new category, then the name of category, then we have slug, then we have parent, we have description. So let me explain you these headings one by one. So first of all, we have name. Here is the name. So you have to enter the unique name of the category. Then slug, a word chosen to describe your post. Like if you want to if you are posting about the web development, then just write here web development, or if you are posting about SEO, just write a SEO. So you can say a word will describe your post. Next we have parent. So in this category, by selecting the parent category from drop down, you can set the particular category as subcategory. Like if you want a main category and under that you want to make subcategories, for that purpose we use this parent option. Now after filling all this information, one is left, that is description. So description is like add a brief description of your category. So it is optional. If you want to provide it, then it's okay. Otherwise you can leave it blank. Now after filling all the information about categories, click this button, that is add new category. Next, so these are the entries which I have told you, like name, slug, a word chosen to describe your post, parent, description. So now after filling all the information about categories, just click on add new category button. So now when you click on that, you will see a category is shown here on the right side. So the new category created will be displayed on the right side. Okay. So here's the way by which you can create a category in the WordPress. So let me show you the demo about this. So here is the dashboard. Just click on post. Now click on categories. Here you have to provide category name. Suppose I'm writing category 1. Then slug, simply write web design. Parent, in case none, just click on add new category. So you can see here I am showing that category 1 is added in and slug is web design. So by default category is created that is uncategorized, but now we have category 1 which I have created with the help of add new category. Fine. So now let's see how to edit category. It is very easy in WordPress that how to add category. For opening the categories, you have to go with post categories. Then the cursor will show the edit and quick edit content. See, let me show you. Here you can see when you just take the cursor over here, you see the edit category, quick edit category, delete and view. Okay, so let me show the difference between these. So first of all, edit option is there. So by edit, what will happen? It will show in this way that name, slug, parent and description. Which option you want to change, that thus change that option and update it. So by quick edit, what will happen? Here is the quick edit option. So by quick edit option, it will show the details of category here on the right side. Like you can see in this window, a particular window or a new window is opened, whereas in case of quick edit, you can see the details are showing here. Okay, so after updating the category, you can click on update category for updating the details. Next, you can simply see how to delete a category here, where you are finding the link that is edit quick edit. Here is the delete category link. Just simply click on this link and this particular category will be deleted. Before deleting this category, you will get a pop-up message like it will ask you for the confirmation of deleting the particular category, like this way. So now next is the arrange categories. So as I explained that you can arrange the categories in WordPress. For that, what you have to do, you will get this option in the post and here is the category order. When you click on it, in the following screen you can see that create category section are not in order. Like here you can see uncategorized, category 1, category 2. Okay, so if you want to arrange these categories, just sorry, just click on order categories. So you can rearrange your categories by just dragging in, like you can just simply drag it up to above and drag it down, and at last you have to just click on order categories. So let me first show you the practical of this. So here is the category. By here editing, like this window is come with edit option. Okay, so now if you want to quick edit, it will ask you the information to be changed here. Okay, suppose this, then click on update category, it is updated. Now delete option is there here. If you want to delete it, it will permanently delete from the site. So it is asking for your permission. Okay, and the last option, that is the categories. Okay, and if you want to view this category, so you can see how this page looks. As no information is there, that's why it is showing the default part. Okay, so view will show you this particular category on the browser. Okay, thank you. Hello everyone. So in today's session we are going to discuss about WordPress post. So before discussing about it, let's understand what is a post in WordPress. So posts are also known as articles, and sometimes it is known as, or it is referred as, blog or blog post. So these are used to popularize your blogs. So now let's see. These are the contents, or you can say we will learn in this session about the how to add post in your WordPress website, how to edit a particular post if you want to make any changes, how to delete a post. Suppose if you post something wrong, then you want to delete, and by simply deleting, how to delete that post in WordPress, we will see that. Then see the preview of post, and at last publish the post. So here is a difference that between preview and post is preview and publish is that in preview it will show a preview on the browser, whereas if publish will show the content will publish on your WordPress website. So now first we have add post. So how to add post in your WordPress website. So for everything you want to do with your WordPress website, you first have to log in your WordPress dashboard with your login ID and password. So here you have to write login ID, then password, and then click on login. Next, you will see the dashboard of the WordPress. So here is the dashboard. On the left side, you will see a post link. Click the post link and you will see add new in the WordPress to add a post in the WordPress. Then you will get the editor page of the post like showing in this particular picture. So you can use the WordPress, that is what you see is what you get, editor, to add the actual content of your post. So here is the name of the new post, then here is the content, here is the publish button, and it is the preview button. Also you can see various settings related to font like bold, italic, underline, different styles, colors are present here. Next, so following are the fields on the editor page of the add post. So first is the post title, that is title of the post. Then the content of the post is denoted by post content. So these two are the main headings which are found in your particular add new post page. Then first you have to enter a title here. Under the add new post, you have to enter the title of the page. This will display on the top of your post. Next, once you have entered your information in the post, then click the publish button. You can also click save draft to save your work without publishing the post publicly. Okay, so you can use this option also to save this page. Otherwise, if you want to publish this, for that you have to use this option, publish. So now let me explain some options related to this particular page. This is this page. So these are, first of all, we have save draft option. It will save the post as a draft. Preview, you can preview your post before publishing. Move to trash, it will delete the post. Status, it will change the status of your post to publish, pending, or review draft. Visibility, visibility is like whom you want to show your page. You want it public, private, or password protected. Then we have published. Change the published post day and time. So if you want to change the publication or post, like whatever the post is, the date and time of that post, for that you have to use published. Next, we have edit post. So now how to edit a particular post? For that we simply have a edit link. So let me first explain that how to add the post in WordPress, which we have. So next we have how to edit post in WordPress. So for that you have to just click on post and click on all post from here in the WordPress. After that you will simply get a link of edit, quick edit, trash and view under the post category, where you have your post name. Under that you get other categories like edit, quick edit, trash and view. From these links you can edit your post, you can quick edit your post, or you can simply delete this post by this trash menu and the view link. So here is the link. Simply if you want to edit the post, then it will open a new window, and by this window you can make changes to your post. After making changes to the post, just update it. In the quick edit window, as in previous session we have seen about the category part, so same way it will also edit the post by this way, but here you will get some links. You will get some links like title, slug and date of the post can also be select the category for the post here if you want to change it. After make changes, simply update this. Next we have delete post. As I told, like we have a link of trash under the post, so by this you can simply delete this post. By the view link you can view your post on the browser, so you can view your post list to confirm if the above post is deleted or not. So if I am saying by clicking the post, you can see the particular post, that is post 1, has been deleted. Next is WordPress preview post. So if you want to see the preview, for that we have a link under the post. Just click on the all post category, and by this view link you can simply get the preview of your particular post. Otherwise you can see the preview by here also. Okay, when you click on edit, while editing you will get a link of preview and publish here. So publish it about, like preview will show that how this particular post will see, but publish means that it will post on the browser on your particular website. So here is the view or preview link. By this way you can see that you have make any changes. If you make any changes to your post, then it will reflect here. In the case of publish post, you have to go post. If you want to add new in WordPress, then see here you can add new post by adding new post link. Then by clicking on this publish button, we can publish this post on the website. Thank you. A very good morning to all. So in today's session we are going to learn how to write or how to create a new post in the WordPress using the default editor. So let's see how to work with it. So first of all, when you log into the dashboard of WordPress and try to create a post, let me show you practically. So here is the dashboard where I already have logged in. Then if I want to create a post, for that I just have to click on post, then click on add new. See, so now you will see this particular thing. So it is the default view, it is the default editor of WordPress. So it might be difficult for you to work in this particular environment. First we will discuss about this environment, that about the default editor. After that I will tell you about the classic editor in which you can easily work. Okay, so let's see first about this. So let's go to slides again. So here is it. First of all, how to add title and content blocks. One main thing you have to remember is that in this particular theme or in this editor, like the default editor, all work can be done with the help of blocks. Everything you want to include, you can include using the blocks. So if you want to write the title, for that you have to use block editor. So at the top you will enter your post title like a demo post. Then if you want to add content, for that you need to add a block. So there are multiple add block buttons on the screen that you can select and add a block. So let me show you this one practically. So here is the title link. Just write a demo post. Okay. So to add a block, you can see a plus sign is there. Just click on it. Now it is saying what type of block you want. Like I want an image, suppose. Just click on the image. Okay, so in this default editor you can add images by clicking this image and simply click the upload button to provide a image. So here you can see the image appears here. You can increase the size of this by just dragging and this. Okay, so now next we have different blocks here, like heading block is there, paragraph is there. If you want another, then you can see browse all. So we have different options, like regarding media we have image, gallery, audio. So different features are there. So for design, if you need buttons, columns, so many options are there, but sometimes it might be difficult for you to work in this particular environment. Okay, next we have different options, like here is the preview link. By this you can see the preview, and also in this view you get three options here, like in responsive websites you can view your WordPress website in desktop, tablet, mobile with the same interface. So here you can see the desktop interface. If you click on mobile, the interface gets smaller according to the mobile size, according to tablet. So here is the preview image. Then we have publish button. If I'll just click on publish, it will publish on the server. So many options are there, and you can say options are clearly visible at the top or at this button. Then we have, if you want to add categories and tags, so for that what you have to do, see, you have to click on this button. Here is the post link and here is the block link. So in this particular post part, you can see here are the categories. So previously we have make these categories, so that's why these are visible here. If you want to make another category, just click on new category, name category new, under which category you want it, add new category. Okay, so category, under category 1 you will get category new. Another options are there, like here is a featured image. So what is it? That featured image, also known as type of thumbnail, so is the main article image which represents the content. Okay, so by here you can just upload the image and you will get this featured image. So here is the featured image. Okay, now after that we have adding excerpts. This one, what is that? You can say it is just like the summary, and it is optional too. So these are the summary of a blog post or article. Most WordPress themes can automatically generate the excerpt from the first few lines of your post. So now next is the changing post URL slug or permanent link. By default, WordPress uses SEO friendly URLs for your blog post. So it will automatically uses your post title as the permanent link. Sometimes if you want to change this name, then you can done this way, like Here is the permanent link and here is the URL. It is the address. So if you want to change this URL, you can change it by this particular option. Next we have changing author. So if you run a multi-author WordPress site, then you can also change a post author and assign it to a different author on your website by this option, status and visibility, and here is the author name. Next we have discussion. See, in discussion what happens, so here you can if you want to allow comments on your blog post, so for this we use this discussion post. Next we have options added by WordPress plugins. So most of the popular WordPress plugins will also add their own options to the post. Like some will available as blocks while others will be available as a small boxes like meta boxes. For example, you can say if you want to add a contact form, so whenever you use WP forms, the best WordPress contact form plugin adds a block to insert contact forms in your post and pages. Same way, if you want to, like this, in this I have used this WP forms. So same way, if you want to add all-in-one SEO, so for that they add a meta box for SEO. We will discuss that practically. Then last not least we have publishing options. So the default WordPress edit screen is divided into two columns. Two main parts are there. The left is where you write content, here, and the right column has all post settings including publishing options. So by 1, 2, 3, 4 numbers I have shown some options. So first of all, let's see first one. Save draft link allows you to quickly save changes you made to a WordPress post. Second, we have preview button. So preview button will open a live preview of your post or page in the browser tab. Third, we have publish. Once you are all done editing your post, you can click on the publish button to make your post go live. Next we have number 4, that is visibility. So WordPress gives you a few options to control the visibility of your post. So default option is public, but if you want to change it to private, then you can do this by this option. Next we have 5, that is immediately. So it allows you to control when a post is published. Like if you want to publish it immediately, or if you want to set a particular time, day, then you can done this with this particular setting. Next we have number 6, that is stick to the front page. That means it will make a post sticky or featured. This makes a specific post appear on the top of other posts. Next we have pending review. So this option will add a custom status next to your post as pending review. So you can say this feature is particularly helpful on multi-author blogs where you can say contributors can just say post and not publish them. Last we have move to trash. So if you want to delete a post, then you can click on move to trash button. So WordPress will send the post to trash. Next we have edit screen options. So if you want to edit your post, for that what you have to do, it allows you to show and hide panels from the edit screen. You can just clicking on the 3-dot menu like I have shown you in the, here you can see by this there are different options. Okay, so we have different tools like block manager, keyboard shortcuts, copy all contents. So here we have different options. Okay, so by this you can see like top toolbar if you want to view, then spotlight mode, full screen mode if you want to see the full screen mode, or top toolbar mode, so you can select here. If you want to see the code editor, just click on it. It will display the code, and this code is something like your HTML code. So here are different tools like block manager. So if you want to search for a particular block, then just type slash or write the name of your block like list. Okay, so here are different options, but I think this default editor is difficult to work. So in next session I will explain you how to use the classic editor. So for that you have to install a plugin. We will discuss about plugins also. So thank you. Hello everyone. So in this session we are going to see that how to switch from default view to classic editor. So let me show you. We are in the last session we have created this post, that is first page. If you click on edit, you will see the default editor. So here is the interface of default editor. Okay, so I have to change this default editor to classic editor. Why classic editor? Because it is easy to work with classic editor. So for that you have to use plugins. One plugin is useful for that. For using the classic editor, you have to first install a plugin. So let me explain you first that what are plugins. So plugins actually what do? It help you to add some unique features to your existing website. You can also say that plugins extend and enlarge the functionality of WordPress. So now to make this interface or make this default editor to the classic editor, just click on plugins. Now just click on add new and simply type classic editor, or see, you easily can see here it is the classic editor. So now to use this editor, just click on install now. It will take some time to install this editor. So just installed it. Just click on activate. Okay, so now it is activated. Now what you have to do, just go to the settings of classic editor, and what you have to do, you have to go to writing settings, as by default it comes here, and here you can see the default editor for all users is classic editor, or the last one which we have used, that is the block editor or default editor. So now I am going to use the classic editor. Just save changes. Now let me show you. Just click on post. So when you click on edit, now here is the classical approach. So in this you can easily work. Thank you. Hello and welcome to this course of making design hassle-free websites using the WordPress. So today we will discuss about the WordPress pages. So adding pages is similar to adding posts in the WordPress. Pages are static content and often do not change its display information. So for adding pages we have to follow some steps. Let's see. So first of all we have to go to the link, or that is the click on pages, then add new. By this way you will get the editor page as shown in this picture. So these editor have two tabs. One tab is visual and one is text. So let me show you practically. So just go to here, just click on pages, okay, then click add new. So here you can see the option. So here you can write the name of page, like if you want to make different pages in your website of WordPress, just write home page here. Here if you want to write content, welcome to my page. So the visual and text which I am talking about is here. Visual means like if you suppose, let me show you. So if you write the text or if you want to write the HTML code, then use this text part. Use this B tag, then this text, and want to see in visual, then it will show the result only. Okay, so here is the way by which you can create pages. Okay, so next we have, so these are different parts of this page editor. That first is the title part, then what you see is what you get editor, where you are having bold, telling, different tags are there. Visual and text is there for seeing the visual image and for seeing the text part. Text is basically for to watch HTML code. If you want to work with HTML code, then you have to use this text part. Otherwise, you have to use this visual part. Then similarly as in the post part, we have a publish link. So here also we have publish. Then if you want to use page attribute, so page attribute is what? If you want to, like, you can say different options, like suppose you want to like page attributes of different. Let me show you this setting. So here is the page attribute. There's, you want some parent, then under that you want to make that page. Then if you want to set the order of that particular page, for that you have to use this. Okay, so here you can see different entries are there. From here you can select the different tags, that paragraph, heading 1, heading 2. Then these are the bullets 1 2 3 4 in the form of numbers. Then these are the alignments. So different options are there. All these options I have explained in this PPT. Let me show you this. So here is this. The first is the title one, which is used to write the title of the page. Then the what you see is what you get editor. So here you can get these different options. Each option has a name, that by this the bold text will bold. Then if you want the number list, for that you can use this 1 2 3 bulleted list. So different options are there. If you want to add link, like hyperlink, which you say, for this you can use this option. So many options are there. Next, here is how to insert or edit the link. For this we have different options. That first is the URL. URL stands for the address of the link. Link text, what you want to write on the link. Then you want open link in a new tab or a window, otherwise, or link to existing account. This means links to this will, what it will do, links to an existing content page by selecting the page from the given list. Okay, so these are the options. Then we have different another options, that we have paragraph tag here. Then you want to make text justify, then with the help of this you can justify the text. We have special characters, we have increase indent, decrease indent for paragraphs. So many options are present. Next we have, if you want to publish your page, for that what you have to do, just simply click on pages, add new. Then on the right side you can see the publish link is here. Okay, so page attribute we already have discussed, like no parent means that it basically parent allows you to select parent page, and order will set the order of the page. Next, when you all finish it, just click on the publish button and it will publish the page over the server. Okay, so next we have edit pages. So if you want to edit the page, almost pages are similar to the post part which we have done earlier. So now continue to edit the pages. For that you have to go to the pages link, click on the all pages, then you can see this particular thing. This same thing, if you remember, we have seen this same thing with the post also. Edit, quick edit, trash and view. So these all links works as similar to as post in the WordPress. Okay. So next we have update option here, similar in the post part also we have this option. Then quick edit will open a window here, then you can make changes to this. If after making the changes, just simply click on update. Delete pages, you can delete a page by simply clicking on the trash which you find under the page name. So let me show you the practical of this. So creating a page, let me just publish this page. So this page is published. If you see on the local host, so this page will look like this. Okay, same settings of page are like post. So here you have update button, preview changes. So if you go to pages and if you want to make any changes, just click on edit, or quick edit is there. If you want to delete this page, just simply click trash and you will show this page on the browser. Very good morning to all. So in today's session we are going to discuss about plugins in WordPress. So first of all, let me explain you what plugins are. So plugins extend and enlarge the functionality of the WordPress. That means some features that are not available in WordPress, but if you want to include, then you have to use plugins. So now for including plugins in your WordPress website, you have to follow some steps. So let's see. So first we will discuss in this session, we will discuss these, that how to view plugins, then we will discuss how to install plugins, and at the end we will discuss how to customize plugins. So let's first discuss about the view plugins. So for view plugins, what you have to do, just click on plugins on the left hand side and click the option that is install plugins. So by this you will see the list of existing plugins on your site like this way. Okay, so these are already installed plugins in your WordPress website. So a table of plugin and about the description. See, here is the name of plugin and here is the description of plugin is displayed. So name of plugins are defined in plugin column and a brief description about the plugin is defined under the description column. Next, we have a toolbar, that is we have different options, that is active, inactive and update available. So what is it all about? So active shows active plugins on the website. Inactive will show the plugins that are installed but not active on your WordPress website. Update available, it shows if a new version is available or asked to update now. So these are the options that we have discussed, that is active, inactive and update available. Next we have install plugins in WordPress. So it is really easy to install plugins. All the plugins are free to download. The only condition is that plugin must be in the WordPress directory. So for install plugins, you must have to follow some steps. So first is click on plugins on the left hand side. Then you have to go to add new for adding plugins. Then you will get a search box here. So in this search box, you have to type which plugin you want to install. Like in this case, I have just write all-in-one SEO pack. So this is a SEO plugin which will automatically optimize your WordPress blog for search engines like Google. Now select the required plugin you want to use. Like you will get a directory of plugins. Like in this case, I have click on this and simply just install now button. Just click on this install now button to install the plugin on your websites. So the plugins automatically start downloading and installing. So here it is. So here you can see activate plugin link is there. See, click on activate plugin to activate the plugin on your website. Remember one thing, there is a difference between install plugin and active plugin. Install means that you have installed the plugin on WordPress website, but for using that particular plugin in your website, you have to use activate plugin on your website. Next, once activated, you will see the installed plugin in the list of plugins. Like see, here you can see that all-in-one SEO pack is there and also the status is activate. Next we have customize plugins. So customize means customize plugins in WordPress that without writing any HTML or CSS. So it's usually a large addition for multi-user sites. This new method allows you to customize your login page by using the WordPress theme customization. That means you don't have to write any coding, or you can say no coding skills required for this. Again, for making your website customized plugin or for making your website that can use customized plugins, you have to follow some steps. First, you have to go to plugins, click on add new. Then you will see install and activate the custom login page customizer. By searching it, you will get it here. Just you will see it and you have to install and activate the custom login page customizer. Then what you have to go to appearance, then click on login customizer. After that, you will get this particular page and you have to click on start customizing. So what it will do, it will launch the built-in WordPress theme customizer. You can customize the theme and make it look you may want. Like according to your choice, you can make changes. Now here is the link. So now on clicking this, click on the new login customizer tab, which is present in the side panel, that is here. Login customizer page will get displayed. So on the login customizer page, you can customize your login page in the same way as you customize your WordPress theme. After that, the customized login page will appear like this way. When you see this interface, you will get this type of page. But if you want to change it, you have to use customizer. So here is the interface, which is the new one. So you can change the logo, upload logo of your choice. Background, if you want to add a background image. Form background, that means select form background image or color for login from the container of your choice. So thank you. In previous session we have discussed about plugins. So now let's discuss about customized plugins. How to use customized plugins in the WordPress. So customized plugins in WordPress is helpful in writing anything without the help of HTML and CSS. So you can say it usually a large addition for multi-user sites. So this new method allow you to customize your login page by using the WordPress theme customizer. In simple words, you can say no coding skills required for this. So let me go to dashboard and show you the practical of this. So for this I am going to use a plugin. I'm simply just go with plugins, then add new, and I just search for custom login page customizer plugin. So we have a variety of plugins here. According to my requirement, I can install any plugin and use that functionality in my WordPress website. So here I'm going to use this one, that is custom login page customizer. Just install now, and will install this plugin in my machine. It will take some time. Again and again I am saying one thing, that after installing the plugin you have to activate that plugin in your website, otherwise that will not work on your WordPress site. So now it is installed. Just click on activate. Okay, it is taking some time to activate. So now, okay, so now never miss an important update. So just skip it. Just giving a warning, nothing else. So now let me see here is the custom login page customizer and the status is activate. That's why it is showing here deactivate. So now what you have to do, just click on appearance and here you will see login customizer link. Just click on it. When you click on it, it will go to the login customize section. Okay, now you can see here is the login page. So you have to, what you have to do, so here is the login customizer. So these all details which are present on the left hand side are related to your this particular login page. That means if you change the background, it will affect on the login page of your website. So here is the option of templates. Different options are there. Let me explain you one by one. Now here are different options. That first is the logo. See, if you want to uh, apply a logo, just select a picture, like I'm selecting this picture, choose image. See, here it is displaying the logo image. And also related to logo, there are many settings like logo height, logo width. Okay, different options are there. Then we have fields. So if you want to change the border color, see the color of this has been changed. Now, okay, by mistake I have clicked. Just go to login customizer. The appearance tab, you have to go to login customizer. So now next we have background. So if you want to change the background color, see it will change the background color. If you want to set a background image, then simply select the image. So now image will display it. Okay, different options are there like form. So related to form, if you want to change the background color of form, like it will not affect. Why? Because I have just set the picture to background, that's why it is not affected. Okay, so various options are there related to your login page. So now at the end, just click on publish. So it is showing published. Now let me show you the interface of this after, just by clicking the logout button. So you can see the interface of login page has been changed with the help of login customizer. Thank you. Hello and welcome to this course. So in today's session, we are going to learn about the themes. So what is theme management? We are going to learn that. So first of all, what is theme management, or what we include in theme management is that it includes image files, templates, CSS style sheets, etc. that can be helped to make your website look great. So in this session, we are going to install, add new or customize themes in WordPress. So now let me direct go to the dashboard and show you the example. So first of all, for that you have to select appearance and then click on themes. Now you will see this following screen. This screen includes various themes. However, any theme, and you can just over the mouse on any theme and click on theme details. So suppose let me just go there. So now see, you can see when you click on theme detail, the following page appears. So it consists of details related to your theme. Details like what is the version, description, tags, etc. includes. See here the tags option are there. So if you want to add this theme to your page website, then you have to click on activate. Otherwise, if you want to just check the theme, then click on live preview. So live preview will show that how it will look like. So here is the look of this page. So this theme will look like this. Okay. Now just to use this theme, click on activate. By clicking on activate, this theme will apply on your WordPress page. Now you can see I have applied this theme on my page. So here a link comes, that is customize. Just click on it. So now on the left side you can see many options are there, like colors, theme options, cover template, about the background image. So from this, or you can say from this left side of your page, you can customize your theme. Any changes you make or anything new you add is displayed on this particular right side of the page. Okay, so next we see active theme is this. So if I want to change the color, just click on it and see, when I click on green color, it automatically, or you can say just by clicking on left side, it will apply on the right side. See, so it is very easy to work with it. So now let's complete it. Just go back, and I want to show you how to customize themes, as we have to change the look or style of this particular website. For that I need to customize this theme, which will help you to give a new look to your website. So just by Here you can go to customize also from appearance. In some, see here is the customize link. So from here also you can go to this customize window. So this particular page is shown. Now as you can see on the left side we have customizing section, and on the right side we have the theme you have to choose it. So any changes if you want to make on the left side, it will be displayed on the right side of the page. Okay, so if you want to change the theme, if suppose if you don't like this particular theme, then go to this active theme change icon and click on it. By this you get a list of theme. Click on any of the themes and then click save and continue. Okay, let me show you. Just click on it. So these are the themes. These themes are already installed, but if you want themes from wordpress.org, just click on it. It will show you themes from wordpress.org. So see, here are a list of themes which are available. So from these themes you can select any theme. Okay, so it is taking some time. Just suppose if, but before using these themes you first have to install it and then you can use these themes. So let me go back. So now let's work with this particular environment. So here you can see first is the site identity. When you click on it you will get site, title and tagline. So title is the name of your website, and tagline which is displayed under the name of title, like here just another WordPress site. If you want to give any logo, then you have to provide a picture, like I'm providing this picture. Okay, so just select it. If you want to crop the image, just small the size, and so here is the picture and logo will display it here. Then we have colors option. Colors you can change the color. Now another is the color options. So if you want to change your header text color using this section, like just click on it, so it will change the color theme. Same way header and footer background color if you want to change, so in this way you can change the header and footer background color. Okay, so these are the settings of changing the color of like background color and header and footer background color. So these are different options. You want to select this one, it will apply that. Okay, so it is very easy to work with this part. Okay, now next we have option of wizards. Different options are available, like theme options, cover template to change the color of template, or overlay text color. So you can use these options. Otherwise there is a background image. So if you want to apply a background image, choose image. So see, you can see a background image is a display on this particular WordPress page. So by this you can change the position of WordPress. By this you can change the image position. So you can see, so according to this it will change the position of image. Image size, if you want to just fit to screen, then it will display like this. So many options are there. Then we have wizards. So for adding wizards you have to click on it. Click on this particular wizards. So we have footer 1 and footer 2, two options are there. So if you want to apply something like welcome to block wizards, block means that it will give you these options what are available here. like this first page, hello world. So these are wizards. So if you want to remove or if you want to change the text of this, just click on it and you can change this particular part. Okay, next we have menus. So if you want to make menus, like here it doesn't look like your site has menu yet. So till now we don't have menus in this particular site. So for creating, you can create menu name, like if you write about us next. Okay, so here it is asking about the location, that text of horizontal menu. So you can see it will change the locations of menus. Okay, so various options are there. You have to explore these options according to your requirements. Okay, so these are the parts which covers in theme management. Next we will discuss wizard management in detail.